Talk 7-7, actions in case of hazardous spills. A spill is not routine. It's an emergency. Every second counts. First action. The person who finds the spill must report it immediately to the supervisor or area lead. Supervisor's duty: go to the scene. Identify the substance. Check the MSDS. Activate the emergency plan. If it's a dangerous liquid or solid, notify immediately. Respond as an emergency. If it's a gas leak, evacuate the area. Call the fire department. If safe, close the valve. Shut off air conditioning. Increase ventilation. Move the cylinder to a safe zone. Emergency coordinator receives all information. Directs response. Determines when it's safe to return to work. Writes the final report. Final message. One mistake can poison the air. One delay can cost lives. Spills demand order. Spills demand speed. Spills demand responsibility. Never hesitate. Act fast. Act safe.